Martin Lappin here for Alternative Heating Solutions, and I had to replace the super winch on the stove brindle. It was just shot, had some external wear. End of the motor shaft was shot. If that should let loose, it could just free fall. So yeah, put a Badlands 5000 on. And I already had the heavier contactor, so I was going to put it on the super winch because it still had the individual solenoids that were giving me issues sometimes as well. Waterproof box from Amazon. And I got the wireless remote too, just so there'd be one less thing to trip over while I'm setting the stove in place. Run new battery cables because the supplied ones were too light, or sorry, not too light, but too short. And instead of splicing them halfway, I just opted to put new all the way back to the solenoid. And one other thing I highly recommend, if you have a lot of trailers with batteries in them, get yourself one of these. See if I can get a shot of it or not. That is a battery control module for a trailer. And what it does, it will not send juice back to the trailer battery unless the engine's running. And if the trailer battery is pulling too much juice, it'll modulate it so you don't burn your wiring up trying to charge an almost dead battery. But here's the wireless remote. There, it's on. And the other end just plugs in to the back. Hit the button to make sure it's on. And I have an odometer here. Yeah, battery's 13.6, and we are going to treat this like it's a starter and see how many amps that little winch pulls. Okay, 70 amps. Now we'll run it up. I don't think it'll matter, but when we start the second wrap or layer, it might go up. We'll do another test. No, battery, no, starter. Checking battery, start engine. Pulls 110 amps on the second wrap, which isn't bad at all. I think for the full 5,000 pound pull, it's supposed to pull like 295 amps. And I did have to make the cable tensioner. It didn't come with one. Just made some tabs back there, wrapped them around the dowel, and pop riveted them tight. This has been Martin Lappin of Alternative Heating Solutions. If the women don't find you handsome, at least they can find you handy.